Now in this session we are going to see how we plot graph on series. We have this data set. We have already worked on this. Okay, let's suppose if I want to plot a graph on this data set, goals dot plot. You simply put plot and run the cell. You will see on a season basis it shows the number of goal scored by Lionel Messi. In the x-axis it shows the season, and on the y-axis it shows the number of goal scored by Lionel Messi. If you want to make it more clear with the help of bar graph kind dot plot, and you need to put here kind is equal to bar. Now you will see it is a bar graph where each season are on the x-axis and the number of goal scored by Lionel Messi is on the y-axis. If you want to do the same with the help of pie graph, you just need to put here pie and you will see. So this functionality gave Pandas more power. Okay,